In today's video, I will walk you through how to access the demo company in Xero. To get started, make sure you're logged into your Xero account. Once you're on the Xero dashboard, look toward the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the name of your current organization displayed there. This is the first place you'll need to click. Click on your organization name to open the drop-down menu. This menu contains several options related to your organizations and account management. Take a moment to look through the available options until you find the one labeled My Xero. When you see My Xero, click on it. This will take you to the section where you can manage your Xero account, including your organizations and other account-related options. Wait for the page to load completely before continuing. Once you're on the My Xero page, look through the available links until you find the one that says Try the Demo Company. This link is the one you'll use to access the demonstration company provided by Xero. After you've located the Try the Demo Company link, click on it. Xero will then open the demo company for you. You don't need to make any additional changes before selecting the link, so simply click it when you're ready to continue. Once the demo company opens, you'll be able to move around the company just as you would within a regular organization. You can explore the different sections, navigate through the menus, and become familiar with the layout. Inside the demo company, you can work with the available records and use the different features provided there. You can create and edit invoices, manage contacts, and work with transactions available in the demonstration environment. Everything you do will remain within the demo company instead of affecting your own organization. If you want to spend time learning how different areas of Xero work, continue navigating through the demo company and try the features available there. You can move between different pages and continue exploring the system at your own pace. Whenever you need to return to your own organization, simply leave the demo company and switch back to your regular organization from your account. Your existing company information remains separate from the demo company throughout the process. Thank you for watching. See you in the next videos.